Hi guys. Okay, so I'm back with another video. This is gonna be the fall makeup that I'm going to be doing and showing you guys. Yeah, just keep on watching. You guys will see. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Smashbox primer. It's the photo finish one, and I'm just put that all over my face before I start doing anything. This primer definitely smooths out everything and makes everything seem like it's just not there. And then I'm going to go ahead, before I do anything, I start with my eyebrows. I do that first just to get out the way, and it's with the Anastasia Dip Brow and I believe dark brown. Yeah, and how I do that, I have a whole video on it, and I just put in my cards, and yeah, it's pretty much easy. I just take my concealer, carve it out the way I want it to be. It's like super easy. It takes like 5 minutes. Okay, so now what I'm about to do is I'm about to carve my eyebrow after I get done filling it in. I'm like stuttering like crazy. And the concealer that I'm using, it really don't matter, honestly, as long as you're using the right concealer to make everything look crisp. But if you must know, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige. And it's really light for my skin, but I mean, I don't know, I just picked it up. Okay, so after I get done carving out my brow, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put some concealer on my eyes so that the 3 colors that I use in the Zulu palette of Juvia's Place will pop out more than what it should. It's really pigmented, but with these colors, well, with this palette period, it's kind of chalky. Like, I love Juvia's Place, but this palette is really chalky and it's just not good. But I'm going to take the yellow first, and I'm going to blend that out in my brow bone area. And the look that I'm going for is a half cut crease for fall. So this will be my fall look. But yeah, back to the basics. I'm blending this out in my brow bone. And then I'm going to take the orange. It was the lighter orange shade. And I was going to blend that in the crease. And when you're doing the cut crease, you want the crease to look like dark. You want it to be dark so that when you cut it, it will be like crisp. I don't know how to really explain it, but it's really cute. And then after I get done with that, you know, I'm just putting it all around, and I'm making sure I go back in with the yellow so the yellow won't get lost within the orange. You guys will see me doing it in a sec. And I'm going to go in with, like, it looks like a burnt orange color, and I'm gonna put that right in, I guess you could say, the cut crease also. I'm really bad at explaining this, so that's why I just like try to do the voiceover. But if y'all can, then you got the video right here. Like, come on, like, cut me some slack. Okay, so after I get done blending all my colors, I'm going to go with the concealer. I went in with the same concealer I used for my brows, and I went in with this Maybelline concealer that was just really bright. And I'm just taking that and I'm just cutting my crease. When I cut my crease, I'm just like, I'm going to go in with the colors like really fast so that, you know, when I put the colors on, it would just be a lot more pigmented. And I'm going to go in with the yellow in the inner tear duct. And then I'm gonna go in with my orange right in the middle, and I'm just gonna go in with the burnt orange just right where I get done putting the regular orange at. And it just like looks like an ombre effect. It looked really nice, really cute, really fall-ish. So yeah, and oh, do not come for my baby hairs, okay? I was sweating, the air conditioner was on and popping, but it was still too hot, so don't come for my baby hairs because they looking really crazy. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild eyeliner. It's just, you know, the black shade, and I'm just going to do a classic wing liner. It's really simple, really cute, and I think it just really fit with this look. And then after that, I'm going to go in and I'm going to put black eyeliner on my waterline, just so everything can just look really cute and sleek. Did y'all like my magic trick? Me too, because that was like the corniest thing I've seen in my life. But anyway, so I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. It's in the shade 420. Let's be honest, Sephora fucked me up. I went to go get matched, and at first it was like, oh yeah, good, it's all good, you know, it's all cool, fit with my freaking skin tone. No, it's too bright for me. I love Fenty, I love Rihanna, but it oxidizes like crazy also. So in this video, you will not see me put concealer on, because it's like, what's the point? I would just contour like crazy. My beauty blender is wet. Well, let's say damp. It's damp, and I'm just blending that in all over my face. Some say that it's better just using a brush, because the foundation will suck up into the foundation brush. It will suck up into the beauty blender, but I found myself blending a lot more easier with my beauty blenders. So yeah, what can I tell you? Okay, so the Fenty foundation is matte. It's a matte foundation. It's really good for my skin, because my skin is really oily. Well, it's oily combination, you know, dry, but for the most part it's oily. So that's why I love this foundation so much. Just oxidizes like crazy. Right now I'm going in, I'm contouring my face. As you can see, I definitely skipped over concealing, and I'm just blending out, you know, like all good. It's all good. I'm using another beauty blender, and it has like this flat side, so it actually helps me blending it out. And I'm just gonna skip over, because you know, it just takes forever to blend stuff out. Okay, so now I'm setting with my Laura Mercier on all the places I put the foundation, and I didn't let it set because I didn't want it to look too much, like too bright. Then I go in and I just like set my contour with a dark brown eyeshadow, just because I didn't have no contour and I didn't have anything that I liked so far. So, you know, you gotta use what you have. Then I went in with my Anastasia Glow Kit, and I don't have it with me, so I really don't know what I use, but I'm just highlighting basically, and I just want it to look really natural, so I'm not trying to put too much. I use my finger because I figure it comes out better with using my finger, and I just put it on my nose and the bridge of my nose. Well, it just look cute. So yeah, and put in my brow bone, make it look really natural and cute, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Took me fucking long enough, but this is my fall makeup. I kind of like it. Fall reminds me of like dark orange and yellows and, you know, just fall colors. But as you know, I'm not a lip person. I could keep my lips neutral. That's how I am. My hair is not really done either. Like it's subscribe, comment if you want, and I will see you guys later.